Ever wondered why, despite a balanced diet, you still feel tired or struggle with weight management? What if I told you that the answer might be hiding in your kitchen, disguised as humble gourds? Yes, these often overlooked vegetables could hold the key to transforming your health. Today on Human Health Hubverse, we're uncovering the 12 surprising health benefits of gourds and exploring their potential risks and precautions. Many of us grapple with issues like high blood pressure, weight gain, and chronic fatigue. Traditional solutions might involve complex diets or expensive supplements, but what if the remedy could be simpler and more accessible? You might think of gourds as just a basic part of your diet, often overshadowed by trendy superfoods. But did you know these unassuming vegetables could be among the most powerful allies in your health journey? Today, we're diving deep into how these vegetables can revolutionize your health. From hydration and weight management to cardiovascular benefits, stay tuned as we reveal how adding more gourds to your diet can make a significant difference. First up, hydration. Gourds like cucumbers and bottle gourds are packed with water, up to 95% in some cases. This high water content is crucial for maintaining fluid balance and supporting kidney function. Research from the Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that staying well hydrated helps improve physical performance and cognitive function. Incorporate these water-rich gourds into your diet to stay refreshed and healthy. Next, let's talk about weight management. Gourds are not only low in calories, but also high in dietary fiber, which helps you feel fuller for longer. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, fiber helps in controlling overall calorie intake and stabilizing blood sugar levels. Try adding zucchini or pumpkin to your meals for a fiber boost. Potassium is essential for heart health, and certain gourds like pumpkin are excellent sources. Potassium helps manage blood pressure by counteracting sodium's effects. Research from hypertension demonstrates that higher potassium intake can reduce blood pressure and stroke risk. So make sure to include potassium-rich gourds like pumpkin in your diet. Bitter melon is a unique gourd with anti-diabetic properties. It contains compounds that mimic insulin and help lower blood sugar levels. Studies in diabetes research and clinical practice show that bitter melon can significantly lower fasting blood glucose levels. However, if you're on diabetes medication, consult your healthcare provider before incorporating it into your diet. Gourds like bottle gourd are rich in antioxidants, which help protect the liver from oxidative stress. Research in Liver International highlights that antioxidants can aid in detoxification and reduce liver damage. Including antioxidant-rich gourds in your diet supports liver health. Vitamin C, abundant in gourds like pumpkin, is vital for a robust immune system. It helps produce white blood cells and protects against infections. A study in Nutrients confirms that vitamin C can reduce the duration of colds. Add vitamin C-rich gourds to your diet to boost your immune defenses. Gourds such as pumpkin and zucchini are rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A, essential for maintaining good vision. Research in Journal of Nutrition emphasizes the importance of vitamin A for eye health. Incorporate beta-carotene-rich gourds to keep your vision sharp. The antioxidants and hydration from gourds are excellent for skin health. Vitamin C promotes collagen production, which helps maintain skin elasticity. According to dermatology research and practice, antioxidants reduce signs of aging and improve skin texture. Consider using or consuming gourds for a healthy glow. Gourds are packed with dietary fiber, which supports digestive health by adding bulk to stool and promoting regular bowel movements. Research in gastroenterology highlights fiber's role in preventing constipation and supporting gut health. Incorporate high-fiber gourds into your meals for better digestion. Certain gourds provide essential minerals like calcium and magnesium, important for bone strength and density. Studies in Osteoporosis International show that these minerals help prevent osteoporosis. Adding calcium and magnesium-rich gourds to your diet can strengthen your bones. B vitamins in gourds, such as folate, support cognitive function and mental health by reducing homocysteine levels and supporting neurotransmitter production. Research in Neuropsychology Review supports the role of B vitamins in cognitive health. Incorporate B vitamin-rich gourds to support brain function and memory. Gourds possess anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and alleviate conditions such as arthritis. According to Journal of Inflammation, compounds in gourds help lower inflammatory markers. Include these vegetables in your diet to manage inflammation more effectively. While gourds offer numerous benefits, it's important to be aware of potential risks. Allergies to specific gourds can cause itching, swelling, or digestive issues. Overconsumption might lead to digestive discomfort due to high fiber content. Additionally, certain gourds, like bitter melon, may interact with diabetes medications. To avoid these issues, wash gourds thoroughly to remove pesticides. Incorporate them into a balanced diet, and consult with a healthcare provider if you have existing health conditions or take medications. Incorporating gourds into your diet can be both delicious and easy. Add slices of cucumber or zucchini to salads for extra crunch. Enjoy a comforting pumpkin soup or blend gourds into your smoothies for added nutrition. Try roasting gourds with olive oil and spices for a tasty side dish, or add them to stir-fries for enhanced flavor and texture. Incorporating a variety of gourds into your diet can significantly benefit your overall health. From improving hydration and managing weight to supporting cardiovascular and cognitive function, these vegetables are indeed powerful allies. By understanding the science behind these benefits and exploring creative ways to use gourds, you can make the most of their health-promoting properties. If you found this video insightful, be sure to subscribe to Human Health Hub Verse for more expert health tips and nutrition advice. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments how you plan to incorporate more gourds into your diet. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the health benefits of gourds. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video where we continue to explore more on health and wellness. Thanks for watching and take care.